They're proudly made in the USA. Aaron here with Artemis Overland Hardware. We're going to talk today about some really cool products that are made in the United States of America. One of the first products we got here when we started was high lift jack. These are made in a factory in Indiana. A lot of overland people, recovery, you can do so many things with this. You can pull stumps out of the ground. It is the most versatile overland off-road tool probably there is out there. You can use it as a winch, you can use it as a jack, all that kind of stuff. These are really well made, powder coated. You see them on a lot of vehicles, but high lift jack is made in the United States. All this Factor 55, they're owned by Warren Winch, and it's billet aluminum. It's aircraft aluminum, and they make a lot of good safety recovery things. You can put a D-ring shackle in here and pull things out instead of using a hook. And they have tons of products, a kinetic rope and a soft shackle. Two things that I really recommend if you go out and maybe you don't have a winch or you just need something easy. These things are really amazing. These are made in Oklahoma and they're used by the U.S. military buys a lot of them. I have some we have some off-road recovery schools that use them. Very tough. Right here we got the Krazy Beaver shovel. This is the Krazy Beaver shovel. See how crazy that beaver is? It has these spikes on it. It's really well powder coated, but these are made right here in the United States in southern Colorado. U.S. Action Trax are a recovery board that are made in Wichita, Kansas. This was one of the first products I brought into the store, and the guy worked with me because he was trying to get his business started. Casey, he is an amazing person, and I know him personally, and that's what makes some of these American-made products even better, because you know the guy that's crafting them. He got this idea from other traction boards that he's seen on the market, and he's made his tweaks to it. But these are made with not only are they made in the United States, but also all the products that are made to put them together. All the poly resin and all that stuff is sourced from the United States. Rotopax. These are crafted in Utah. And what makes the Rotopax? It's all in the name. They're roto-molded. That means that the plastic all the way around in these is put into a contraption that twirls around, and it's equal thicknesses everywhere on here. It makes it even tougher. It's a costly thing to do, but it makes things better. This is a brand new product we just got in, and it's pretty big, but it's the Super Pacific truck bed camper. These things are really, really well made. Aircraft engineer, a fabric guy got together and they put these together. They made in Portland, Oregon. The craftsmanship is impeccable. They have one handle, they make their own hinges, one handle opening, molly panels inside, lots of customization you can do with these. You know what's better than a bungee? Perfect bungee. They're made on the East Coast, and they're amazing because they have all these little holes in them, and you can shorten them, lengthen them. I've had these on the top of my Land Rover for probably about 4 years. I don't ever take them off. They're just on my rack, just in case I need to use them. And they barely change color. This stuff is super stretchy. It'll stretch over double its size. And they're in beautiful colors. Fairbault Mill is in Minnesota. It's the last vertical weaving mill in the United States. They make these very, very high quality woolen blankets. If you're looking for a blanket, these are top of the line and really great people to work with. Tembo Tusk, African name, but made in America. Every overlander, I use one on my back porch. This is a plow disc with legs attached to it. Jerry who owns Tembo Tusk, found these or something similar in Africa and came back and manufactured it here. He takes these discs, he makes sure they're flat, and he seasons them in his own oven. The legs he puts together, they're adjustable, and they slide all the pieces together. It's all powder coated, and it uses a really elite burner. The Tembo Tusk makes a lot of different products, but they're all made here, and that's like one of their one of the things they do is they want to try to make everything here that they sell, and we are very proud to have Tembo Tusk as an American-made product. A very used cook partner stove. These were made from some guys that were whitewater rafting, and they wanted something super tough to take with them in their rafts down through the Grand Canyon. They came up with this very durable aluminum stove with stainless steel burners. Easy to take apart. These are made in Idaho, and they are the toughest camping stove made, and made in America. Crud Cloth. It's a funny little thing. You're out in the woods or somewhere and feel grimy, you don't have water or shower, or it's icy out. Crud Cloth is a very cool thing, and it's probably made in America. How does this work? You just pop it. There's a washcloth in there. It's made out of cotton, American cotton. And take it out, and it's wet from popping the bag. And you can use this washcloth at home when you're done if you want to. This is a real cloth. So not only is it made here, but it's reusable. A lot of the T-slot aluminum racks are manufactured and put together here in the United States. We carry Prinsu and Uptop, and those are American-made roof racks to hold anything on the top of your vehicle. Hey, thanks for watching Artemis Overland Hardware's Kit Lab. You can find all these products on our website, artemisoverland.com. If you like it, you can like it, and if you like it, you can subscribe it. So do those things, and we'll see you next week with more super awesome overland and lifestyle products. The hunt for adventure starts here.